Now I'm ready to pull on a design, and I can go into the design library. I want to pull on a full design, so I'll go into this first category, Designs with Components. Remember, we have a detailed tutorial on the entire design library on our website, so please make sure to look at that tutorial. I can't remember exactly which category this design that I'm looking for is in, but I know a quick way to get it, and that is by using my search feature. I happen to know that this particular design that I'm looking for is called the Manhattan, so I can type that in and click on the Go button. And here's the design. And it will show the full design, that's the one I've been looking for, and it will also show all the components that go with that design. And you'll see that also if you click on the gold buttons. So I can close my browser because I'm just going to pull on the full design. And if you want to go back and look at more designs, just click on the Design Library tab right here, and you'll see the Design Library categories. Now generally I like to fill my design with fabric or color before I start manipulating it for the window. That is, I might be ungrouping it, I might be making it larger, adding more components or whatnot. In this example it really doesn't matter because I will just be using one fabric for the entire treatment. But just for consistency, I will fill it with a fabric before I apply the design to the window. And I'll go into the Cashmere Swatch library now. Just to repeat myself, the program comes with some Cashmere and Lady Anne swatches, and they are there generally for you to practice and play with. The real feature is the ability to add your own custom swatch fabrics. And we have a detailed tutorial that shows you how to do that, so make sure to view that tutorial on our website. So I'll just scroll up and I see what I want to use, so highlight your design, and then you can come in and double click on this swatch, or you can click on the apply button. Now I'll go ahead and close the browser because I don't need that open, and I'll start resizing my window treatment. In this case I do want to maintain the proportions, so I'm going to keep my finger depressed on the Shift key while I pull on a corner handle. There. Now I actually want the panel to be on the right side of the window, not on the left side. So my design is highlighted. I can come up here and click on the flip horizontal icon. There. And I'll just move my design over to the right a tad. Now remember, if you wanted to resize, you can use your mouse and pull it over one of the side handles, either on the side or along the top. But if you want to resize proportionately and not have your design distorted, pull on any of the four corner handles and keep your finger depressed on the Shift key the entire time.